It's going down. Fourth
Here
turn.
we
Here we
go.
go.
Factory stock A feature coming at you.
And they are
And
off.
Green.
22, 14, 62, 98. That's our first four.
There goes Kevin Lacy. You got Brandon Jarvis leading the pack. You got Kevin Lacy. You got Chris Bales coming up in the third place right now.
There we go. 22, 14, 62, D3, 98, 24, 2, 7J, 102, making a move on 7J. Down the back stretch, still 22 and 14. 62 D3, 98 still waiting to make his position. 24-2, 102, and 7J now is in the rear. 62 in third, D3 really fighting for that third position. He wants it. Right now it's 22 and 14's race. Lacy is definitely pushing for that first position.
Dwayne Davis is
D3
putting
takes
it on and showing Chris Bales some moves here.
Up. We got a high sider there. Turn 1 and 2, we got a yellow.
That's announcer's curse right there.
There it is, right there,
the
D3.
Announcer's curse. We're ready to roll.
These guys are looking good and they're ready to go.
Here we go.
If this was a foot
Coming
brake,
to turn
oh my goodness, here we go.
Here we go. At ya.
22-14, battling out. We had some metal touch in there at the beginning. Here we go. 22 once again, trying to put a gap between him and Lacy. Lacy really is not going to let up.
Here comes Aaron Kuehn on the outside of Chris Bales.
You see it. 24 making his move the first time in this race. He is in third for the first time. Coming around.
On strong.
He is holding that position. 98 almost spun out up there.
Chris
62 having a hard time.
And here goes Matt Bales right beside him.
He is fighting it. The rear race, the 102 and D3 are really battling. D3's trying to work his way back up.
He sure is.
And he will push. 22, 14, and 24, that's the race right now. These guys are not playing. 98 is really trying to make some track on these guys and catch up.
Aaron Kuehn is creeping up.
He is cooking.
Lacy.
62, 7J, 2, D3, and 102. It looks like D3 and 2 are fixing to go at it in the rear there. They are definitely battling it out for that position. D3's working his way. Well, 2's holding him. 22, 14, and 24 still first, second, and third. 98 coming in fourth, taking up the space. D3 made his roll. Here they come back around. We're going to be hitting lap 8 right here. I mean, these first 4 cars are fighting for it tonight. D3 is making his move to get back up there, though. With 20 laps, it's possible.
Anything's possible.
Anything at this point. 22, 14, and 24.
I tell you
98.
what, Aaron Kuehn in that 24 is doing everything he can to take that spot from Kevin Lacy.
I mean, he's hanging on Lacy's bumper, and that is not an easy feat to do.
It's within striking distance.
There it is.
It's a move.
He's trying.
Kevin knows he's there. He knows he's there.
.22 kind of guiding in there. 14, there comes Lacy, and 24. Here comes 98. He is actually catching up.
Matt Bales and 98's trying to, he is catching up slowly but surely.
D3 not playing.
Looks like Kuehn's going to the outside.
Lap 12.
We're clicking them off. Kuehn's going to try to make it. No, he didn't make it.
Here we come again. We're coming off the 4th into the main stretch here. 22, 14, 24. They're holding position. 98 still in 4th. 62 really trying to work back to the front again. 7J, where did he come from? There's 102. D3 fell back a notch. And 2 and D3 are battling the rear. There's 22, 14, and 24 if your head didn't spin. There's 98. These guys are really moving. Fastest 14 laps you could ever see, right? 22 making a pass. There we go. 102 to the pits.
Taking it in.
22, 14, and 24, and 98 are still the leads. 22 is starting to lap everyone.
Got some lap traffic coming up here.
It is going to get ugly because D3 and 2 are really fighting, and I don't think 22 is going to get around them, which is going to leave the competitors a place to catch up.
They've got their own battle going on right there.
They really do, and I don't see them spreading out for 22.
And Jarvis doesn't have anywhere to go. He's
just going to move them
by these lap cars right now. He has got to make his own way.
He is going to move
these
them.
guys.
He's not going to hold up.
He's moving through traffic like a Corvette on 69.
I mean, he is not going to hold up, but D3 wants to race him anyhow. Check him out.
He wants to show him that
Lacy's going to race 2 and 24. So, again, we're still holding 22, 14, and 24.
And
this is an amazing race.
It's going to get some distance between these guys. These lap cars are going to put some distance between these front runners here, give them a little bit of room to breathe.
Here they go. Here comes 22 up the main stretch here. This is
lap 19. I see a white flag in hand for Brandon Jarvis.
D3. Lacy is just having to battle D3 to get that second spot to get him out of his way.
He's got turns 3 and 4 to make it up. I don't think he can do it.
24 coming in. Here comes.
And there's your winner.
22.
Brandon
14,
Jarvis, Kevin Lacy.
24, 98. That's our first, second, and third. I mean, that was an amazing race. Put your hands together for that race. Those guys were really battling it out.
Jason Davis, Dwayne Davis.
Beautiful.
Give it up for Brandon Jarvis.
Absolutely great race.